Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sell on the Etrade app. First, open the Etrade app on your mobile device and log in securely. Once inside, navigate to your portfolio or account section to see all your current investments. From there, simply select the specific security you wish to sell, whether it's a stock, an ETF, or another asset. This initial step is crucial for a smooth transaction. Next, with your chosen security highlighted, tap the Sell button. You'll then need to specify the quantity of shares or contracts you want to sell. Be precise here. After that, select your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Consider which option best suits your selling strategy for this particular trade. Before you finalize anything, a crucial step is to thoroughly review your order. The app will display a summary of your sell transaction, including the security name, the number of shares, the order type, and the estimated proceeds. Take a moment, perhaps 10 to 15 seconds, to double-check everything. Once you are confident, tap the Confirm or Place Order button to submit your sell request. After confirming, your order will be sent to the market for execution. If you placed a market order, it should execute almost immediately. For limit orders, it will execute when your specified price is met. Once executed, the funds from your sale typically settle into your account within 2 business days. You can always check the status of your order in the app's Order History section for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.